In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Safari on iPhone. If Safari has been sluggish, not loading pages properly, or showing outdated content, a quick reset can clear things up. We'll start with the full reset that removes your browsing history, cookies, cache, and general website data, and then I'll show you an optional deeper cleanup for stubborn site data. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apps if you see that category, then tap Safari. If you don't see an Apps section on your device, just look for Safari directly in the main list and tap it. Now, scroll down until you find Clear History and Website Data. Tap it, and when the confirmation prompt appears, tap Clear History to finish. This action deletes your browsing history, cookies, and cached files, along with stored site data such as logins and site preferences. That helps Safari load fresh versions of pages and can fix odd behavior like pages not updating or forms autofilling incorrectly. Keep in mind, this will sign you out of most websites. However, your bookmarks and saved passwords stored with iCloud Keychain are usually not removed by this reset, so your important saved logins should still be available for autofill later. Also, if you use iCloud Safari syncing, clearing history may remove it across your other Apple devices signed in with the same account. If you want a deeper cleanup, you can manually remove all website data. Still in Settings, go to Safari, then scroll to Advanced. Tap Website Data, and then tap Remove All Website Data. Confirm when prompted. This targeted wipe is helpful if a particular site keeps misbehaving or if some leftover data didn't clear during the main reset. It erases stored data for sites system-wide, which often resolves persistent loading or formatting issues. A few important notes as you go. Expect to be logged out of most sites after these steps, since cookies are removed. Your bookmarks and iCloud Keychain passwords typically remain intact. If the Clear History and Website Data button is grayed out, screen time restrictions may be preventing changes to web content or privacy settings. You'll need those restrictions adjusted before you can proceed. Finally, if Safari still acts up after the reset, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot refreshes system cache and processes, and it often provides that last little nudge to get everything running smoothly again. That's it. Your Safari should now be clean, refreshed, and ready to browse.